Valley, Molnar.
How are you doing today?
I'm doing good. Beautiful day.
Where are you originally from?
Originally, well, we live in Galloway for many years. Now we just moved here to Summers Point.
What kind of car do you have?
It's a 1926 Erskine.
When did you purchase that car?
I've had it for about 7 years. The guy before me owned it for 50.
Wow. Did you have to put any work into it?
Yes.
Yes.
Not a lot. We painted the fenders and redone the brakes, did some work on the engine, but not a lot of work. It's pretty much like you see it.
Is this your first auto show?
No, I've been to many auto shows.
Any auto shows?
Yeah, I've had an old antique car in my garage for many years. This is just my latest one.
Your latest one? How many other classic cars do you have?
This is the only one I have right now.
Okay, only
but
one.
Through the years, I've had several cars.
Oh, wow. Thank you for doing this interview.
You're welcome.